want to know how to hide any folder or file on your system? Here is the trick. Open the folder you want to hide. For example, here I want to hide this Instagram app graduate. Then right click and then go to properties. Here under attributes you can see hidden. Click on this and then click on apply. Then click on the second one, which applies for the folders, subfolders and for the files also. Click on OK and then click on OK. So here you can see our folder has been hidden. If you want to see the hidden folder, just click on view and here you can see hidden item. Click on this checkbox and here you can see the hidden folder or file on our system. And now if you want to unhide this folder, again right click, go to the properties, click on hidden, means uncheck this hidden button, click on apply, click on OK, once again OK, and now the hidden file has become the visible file. This is how we can hide and unhide any folder or file in our system. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our educational channel. Thanks for watching this.